In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Google Business profile. This process is straightforward, but for those new to Google Business or those needing a little refresher, this guide will help ensure you can access your profile without any hiccups. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll be navigating your Google Business profile like a pro. Let's start with the very first step, which involves going to the right place. Open your preferred web browser and type in google.com/business in the address bar. Press enter and this action will take you directly to the Google Business homepage. This page is where the journey to access your profile begins. It's designed with user friendliness in mind, so navigating from here should be quite intuitive. Now, once the Google Business homepage has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a sign in button. Click on this button. This is your gateway to logging into your profile. Clicking sign in directs you to another page where Google will ask for your credentials. This is a standard procedure to ensure that your business profile is secure and only accessible by you or those you've authorized. Next, you will be prompted to enter your Google account and password. This is the same information you use to access other Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, or YouTube. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to use the one associated with your Google Business profile. Type your email or phone affiliated with your Google account and then click Next. Afterward, enter your password. If you've entered everything correctly, you'll successfully log in upon submitting your password. A few additional tips to keep in mind: make sure your internet connection is stable throughout this process to avoid any disruptions. If you encounter any issues logging in, like a forgotten password, use the Forgot Password link to recover your account access. Google has made this process quite user-friendly, providing step-by-step instructions to regain access. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the dashboard of your Google Business profile. From here, you can manage all aspects of your business's presence on Google, including updating business information, responding to reviews, and viewing insights on customer interactions. Congratulations! You've now learned how to log into your Google Business profile, setting you on the path to effectively managing your business's online presence with Google. Remember, keeping your business information up to date on Google is crucial for reaching potential customers effectively. So, take full advantage of the features available in your Google Business profile to enhance your business's visibility online. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Stay tuned, and see you in the next video.